Scott, great to see you.
Great to see you. Thanks for having me.
Appreciate you joining us, Scott. Hey, tell us a little bit about this Red Hat Cloud Foundations initiative. What exactly is it, and where does the channel fit in?
So we design Cloud Foundations as everything that a customer needs to deliver a cloud, built and supported by our channel partners. So we provide our channel partners not just great products, but reference architectures, cookbooks, solution guides, consulting services they can offer, training services they can offer, and all in a marketing vehicle that they can co-brand with Red Hat to take advantage of our global reach and scope.
And then in terms of who the partners are who are embracing Cloud Foundations, is it VARs, is it integrators, is it solutions providers? Who's the target audience for you?
You know, it's really interesting. It's run the whole gamut of the partner community. We've had such excitement from resellers, from VARs who have such great relationships with customers. They know more about their customers' IT infrastructure than anybody. And the customers have been coming to them asking them about cloud, and they're looking for a vendor who can help them give the answers. And with Red Hat, our stuff, or whether it's our stuff combined with some third-party vendor's solution, we don't care. We want our resellers to be able to go in and become more relevant and get stronger ties to their customers. At the same time, systems integrators are trying to build cloud offerings as quickly as possible. We've had a lot of interest from and engagement from systems integrators, both the biggies and small guys who want to get real strong cloud offerings, because we provide everything they need to do that, from the top to the bottom, from product to services and so forth. And finally, of course, there's the folks who provide cloud capacity. And Cloud Foundation is a great vehicle to drive that really large Red Hat customer base into our cloud partners' services.
I know you're more than Red Hat Enterprise Linux these days. You're also promoting Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization as well as JBoss. Can you tell us a little bit about how those components fit into the Cloud Foundation strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. We designed this about 4 years ago, long before the term cloud was ever coined. And the whole goal was to be able to make customers' IT capacity more efficient. So we looked at what we needed to build or buy in order to allow customers to run any of their applications on any set of the capacity, inside their data center or outside, whenever they needed to, based on the needs of the business. And so what we've built is actually the most comprehensive stack for cloud infrastructure in the business. The only other vendor that comes close to ours is Microsoft in terms of the breadth of the stack that it provides. So it's in order to transfer company's infrastructure, you need to be able to provide virtualization, an enterprise-class critical OS, middleware, and management. And nobody except Red Hat and Microsoft have all those pieces to help our partners go in and solve a wide range of solutions for the end customer. So this is all designed with one common cloud architecture in mind, and to be more comprehensive than anybody else.
Okay, and I would assume that your strategy here is to position your solution as an open alternative to Microsoft.
Well, that's exactly right. Whereas other vendors try to get the customers to rip and replace so that the customer standardizes on that vendor stack top to bottom, Red Hat's approach is completely different. It's all open. It's all open source. We make cloud much more of an evolution than a revolution, so customers can move at the pace that they want to. And then we equip our reseller partners to help guide customers down the path. And whether the customer wants to move aggressively and have their whole infrastructure converted to cloud in 6 months, or they want to move more gradually over the course of the next year or 2 or 3, customer can be confident that what they deploy today will be future-proof, will be able to be used in a cloud infrastructure tomorrow. With what they have, without having to deploy tons of new stuff, they can move as quickly or as slowly as they want to, using what they already have. And nobody but an open source vendor can make it that interoperable, that open, that transparent.
All right, well, Scott, thanks for the overview. I appreciate your time.
It was a pleasure. Thanks a lot.